Hi guys, it's Ryan, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make a Taco Bell Copycat Crunchwrap today. We're gonna cut a bunch of corners, guys. We're gonna buy store-bought seasoning for the meat. We're gonna buy store-bought nacho cheese and salsa. But this is a quick little meal. As I show you, I do not use a huge tortilla because, this is a lot. But it is perfect, super delish. Before we start, if you would sub please, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's make this. We're going to cheat today and we're gonna use taco seasoning mix instead of making our own from scratch. This will give us the more authentic flavor to that crunch wrap that we're looking for. This is very easy to get. You will find it almost everywhere except for the organic supermarkets, of course, but Walmart, Target, all the big supermarkets, and easy to find and cheap. We're gonna cook a pound of lean ground beef. Just gonna add a little bit of oil to this. And we're gonna let it heat. So now I'm gonna brown our beef. We wanna break it and let it cook. We're just gonna let this cook through before we add the seasoning, okay? All right, guys, you can drain this if you want, the rendered fat. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna let this kind of cook in the fat a little bit before I add the seasoning, just to give it more flavor. All right, this has dried up a bit. I'm gonna add the whole packet. Now this has salt in it, guys, so don't worry about adding salt. And we're gonna add 2/3 cups of water. So we mix that in, and now we're gonna let this beef cook in that sauce for about 6-7 minutes. Smells very good. You can use this beef for other things as well, like crispy tacos, like tostadas, like quesadillas. This is a really nice Tex-Mex flavor, guys. You can use it for burritos too. Let's not forget our burritos. Once this is done, in about 5 more minutes, I'm gonna turn off the heat and we can start wrapping up our supreme crunch wrap. I'm gonna turn off the heat and let's go make our crunch wrap. I warmed up my tortilla so that it's more pliable, so it's nice and warm. Here's the deal with this. This is a burrito size tortilla, see, burrito size, but it is not big enough to put a whole tostada in the middle. Let me show you. If you do that, you will not be able to seal the tortilla enough so that your lettuce and tomato doesn't fall out. You need to get, if you want to use a whole tortilla, you need to get that super jumbo size tortilla, okay? So instead of a tostada, we're going to use chips. Another thing is that big tortilla with this in the middle, for me personally, too much food. So this is gonna work perfect for me. So I'm gonna put some of our beef here in the middle. And I'm gonna put some nacho cheese on top. This is also store-bought. Guys, this is a white sauce with cheese in it that is melted. So, butter, flour, milk, whisk, 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 cheese, melt it, that's it. That's a nacho cheese sauce. This one happens to have some hot chilies in it, so. Now for the crunch, I'm gonna use chips, like I told you. You can also just break up this tostada if you would like. I'm gonna put a double layer. And I put some sour cream on top, some lettuce, some tomato, and I'm going to add some salsa. All right, now we're gonna fold this up. One end, the other end, the tip. We're gonna spray a little oil on our skillet. It is nice and hot, and we're gonna put this seam side down. Ooh, that looks nice and fat. Once it's browned and sealed, you just flip it. That won't take too long, guys. Nice. What I didn't tell you is our beef was heated, guys. It wasn't cold. Just want to toast it as much as we can. And let's go cut it up. I'm gonna use a serrated knife. Listen to that crunch. And the crunch in the middle. Ay, ay, ay. And just look at that. Yum. So let's taste this. This is very good, guys. It tastes amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll see you soon.